2017, I am come to back China, Xinjiang, Urumqi. Is Xinjiang police, my wife is arrest him and go to camp, education camp, is jail. 2 months, my wife is jail, and Xinjiang is camp, okay? And no meet him, me and my wife, no meet him, no call. I am very, very worried. Acha. Beijing Embassy, China, Pakistan, I am come and I am ambassador, Pakistani ambassador, I am meet him and this a problem. But my ambassador is no help me. My country, Pakistan, no help me. I am very worried. I am not happy, really. My life is very bad. Me and my wife and my daughter, 4 year, my daughter is every time home. No other city my wife going, okay? I am very, very, my wife, me and my baby, this time I no home, no is business, no money, no food, really. I am very, very worried. I am no happy. Chinese is my government is says my ambassador, okay, my is man, Pakistani man is a problem, but the Chinese government is my no help me. I am going to ambassador. Okay, thank you. Ajo.
中国政府依法治理新疆、建设新疆，出台了一系列的政策措施，在新疆促稳定、促发展、促团结、促民生，维护了新疆社会稳定和长治久安。